In this video, we'll walk you through how to reassign patient cases using the Reassign feature on your iTero scanner. This feature is designed for cases where you need to transfer a patient's files to another doctor within the same practice. Both doctors must belong to the same clinic and be Invisalign providers who perform orthodontic procedures. There are two scenarios for reassigning a case: before the case is sent and after it has already been sent. Let's start with how to use the Reassign feature before sending a case. Sign into the scanner and select New Scan. Enter patient details and complete the RX form. Begin scanning the patient. For this demonstration, we will scan the lower arch only. When scanning the full arches, make sure to review the scan and confirm that the bite is correct and that all required areas are complete. Tap the envelope button to send the case before sending. Open the Assign Doctor drop-down list and select the colleague who will receive the case. Click Send to transfer the case. After sending, the case will be available to the selected doctor both in the MyiTero portal and in their Invisalign Doctor Site account. Once the case is sent, you will be automatically redirected to the patient's page. The receiving doctor will see the case in their past orders as well. Now let's see how to reassign a case after the scan has already been sent. Sign into the scanner, open the orders page and locate the patient's case in the past orders section. Then tap Duplicate Scan. This creates a new RX for that patient using the existing scan. Complete the new RX form. If needed, review the patient's previous scans before continuing, or rescan if a new scan is required. As before, tap the envelope button. Open the Assign Doctor drop-down, select the receiving doctor, and tap Send to transfer the case. Once the case is sent, you will be automatically redirected to the patient's page. The receiving doctor will see the case in their past orders. If you do not see the option to reassign, your user account may not have access to shared patients and order information within the clinic. Please contact your practice administrator or iTero support to request the appropriate access. With self-service features, you can view orders, scans, and patient history across all doctors in your clinic. If duplicate patient records exist, your practice administrator can merge them without the need for a support ticket. Visit the Align Education site to learn more. It starts with iTero.